Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best engine oil stop leak that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is LIQUI MOLY Motor Oil Saver. LIQUI MOLY Motor Oil Saver comes in a 300 milliliter container and is used as an oil additive for cars. This product is made to assist engines that experience high oil usage and common seal problems. It works within the oil circuit of both gasoline and diesel engines to improve internal function and reduce wear on engine parts. With continued use, the additive can help lower the amount of oil passing through piston rings and valve guides. This may assist in cutting down the release of blue smoke from the exhaust, which often appears when engines burn oil. By supporting aged and hardened valve stem seals, it lessens the need for constant oil refills and supports better running engines. This oil saver also focuses on protecting and restoring rubber and plastic parts found inside the engine. Over time, these components may shrink or harden, leading to unwanted leaks or oil seepage. When this happens, engine oil might drip onto driveways or roads. By working to soften those areas, the liquid aims to reduce or stop this kind of leakage, helping to maintain cleaner surroundings. Its effects may include fewer oil drips under vehicles and quieter engine sounds, which often come from loose internal seals. For drivers dealing with higher fuel use or oil loss, in our list the number 2 product name is BlueDevil Products Oil Stop Leak. BlueDevil Products Oil Stop Leak comes in an 8-ounce bottle and is made for use in oil systems where fluid loss is a concern. This liquid aims to help car owners deal with engine leaks that cause dripping or seeping of oil over time. It is designed for both gasoline and diesel engines, giving drivers a wide range of usage options across different vehicle types. When applied into the oil reservoir or crankcase, this oil additive starts to condition rubber seals. By working through the internal parts of the system, it helps repair areas like axle seals, pinion joints, gear differentials, and shock components. These parts often wear down and develop gaps that allow oil to escape, which can lead to extra costs, mess, or damage if not handled early. The fluid is made to be safe for internal use, without clogging or damaging the inner structure of the engine. It does not contain petroleum elements that may swell or weaken the material of existing seals. Instead, it supports the natural elasticity of rubber and extends the seal's ability to hold pressure and block oil loss. People using this product may notice a change in how often they need to top off oil levels. By sealing leaks from the inside, it offers an alternative to part replacement or labor-heavy repairs. It may also be helpful for those dealing with older engines that tend to lose oil over time due to worn components. With regular use, BlueDevil Oil Stop Leak may keep engines running longer without unwanted oil marks under the car or smoky emissions from burned fluid. In our list, the number 3 product name is BARS Leaks OS1 Oil Seal Engine Oil Leak Repair. BARS Leaks Oil Seal Engine Oil Burning and Leak Repair comes in a 16.9-ounce container and is made to support engine systems that suffer from oil loss or blue smoke. This solution is developed for many engine types, including turbocharged, hybrid, and performance motors. It works with gasoline and diesel setups, offering support to drivers across different vehicle classes. This additive assists engines that burn oil or leave drips. If a car, truck, or sport utility vehicle consumes less than 1 quart each day, this treatment can be a practical choice. It targets engine seals, gaskets, and valve components that wear down over time, helping reduce smoke from the exhaust and improving internal performance. Engineers crafted this treatment for flexibility, allowing it to be used in more than just standard vehicles. It is suitable for motorcycles that use wet clutch systems, as well as tractors, lawn machines, and watercraft. BARS Leaks Oil Solution works across In our list, the number 4 product name is XADO ATOMEX Oil Additive Stop Leak Engine. XADO ATOMEX Oil Additive Stop Leak Engine Treatment in a 250 milliliter bottle is developed to help engines facing oil loss and seal failure. It targets elasticity recovery in rubber components found in motors. This solution helps older and high-mileage vehicles by restoring sealing ability, improving operation, and helping prevent further wear. Vehicles experiencing loss of oil pressure or noticeable drips from the engine may benefit from this treatment. The liquid is suitable for gasoline and diesel engines, including turbocharged ones. Its chemical design focuses on softening hardened gaskets and rings, reducing oil burning, and helping motors work quietly. This treatment can be used in automobiles, motorcycles, and boats, creating flexibility across various machines. This application becomes especially helpful when colder weather arrives or temperatures drop sharply. The formula supports prevention before failure, maintaining oil pressure and fluid behavior. It also reduces smoke emissions caused by. In our list, the number 5 product name is STP High Mileage Oil Treatment Stop Leak. STP High Mileage Oil Treatment plus Stop Leak in a 15 fluid ounce bottle supports engines with extended use. Vehicles that have passed 75,000 miles may begin to show signs of wear or reduced performance. This liquid additive assists in slowing down further damage by reducing internal friction and helping maintain proper function in older systems. The formula forms a thick layer within engine components, helping metal parts avoid direct contact during motion. This cushion effect supports better operation, especially for engines that have experienced long-term use. It also provides support to aging rubber parts inside the motor by helping them become more flexible and reducing the risk of oil escaping through worn areas. Drivers may notice symptoms like engine smoke, unusual sounds, or minor oil marks on the ground. This product helps address those concerns by working with the oil to restore conditions inside the motor.